Hello, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have another video for you, and I'm going to show you another mug video. And obviously we need a mug, and we're going to cook it in the microwave. We need 5 spoons of flour, 4 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of baking cocoa powder, basically just cocoa powder, some salt, some vinegar, a spoon of oil, 4 spoons of water. So 4 spoons of flour in there with the sugar, with the cocoa powder, and the baking powder. Sorry, 1/2 teaspoon of that, and some salt. And mix it all up. Once it's all mixed up, we're going to add some oil and some vinegar. And the water. And then, as you can see, it's quite a sticky mess, but it looks good. We're going to put it in there for about 90 seconds on 800 watts in the microwave. As you can see, it's very sticky, but it looks great. It's very chocolatey, and yeah, it's a vegan recipe, so no dairy products used, no gelatin used, no nothing. So I hope you enjoyed your video. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel down below for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. Give us a thumbs up, and hopefully we'll see you soon next time with DIY Ideas. Have a good day. Bye.